Today we'll be looking at the Airpod clone from knockpods. Well, I've unboxed this before, but I'll show you what you should expect in it. So you get instructions on how to connect this. Here you have the case and the airpod you need. You also have movable ear tips. And you also have a Type-C to lightning cable. So this is how it looks. Behind it, there's nothing written on it. When you open it, you get this sticker there. Here's the clone from Divya, and behind it, it's written designed by Divya in China. Active noise cancellation. Well, both of these have active noise cancellation on. You can see they look alike. And they both have the in-ear sensor. One thing you should also know about this is that it also has wireless charging. So I don't have my wireless charger here, but I'll show you this wireless charging case I have for the iPhone 10. Okay, so I'm not able to get this properly, but as you can see, without pressing the button behind it, it's able to receive power. So this is the clone from Divya, and as you can see, the red light flashes, which means it's charging. So connecting this to your phone, you need a Bluetooth to be on. So what you do, you just need to open the case and so you can also change the name for this. As you can see here, I changed it just to differentiate between the Real Airpods and the clones. This also have the noise cancellation. As I said, it works and it's not just fake. It also has serial number, real serial number, and model number. So if you come here down to accessibilities, then check for AirPod. As you can see, it's able to trick the iPhone to believing that okay, it's an AirPod. So if you come here, it shows you this, but with regular clone, it doesn't do that. So here are the ones from Divya. As you can see, so they both have the same method of pairing. One thing you should also know is that the knockpods, they have the Real Airpods Pro symbol here, while that of Divya They have the old AirPod symbol there. They also have a noise control here. The same goes for the knockpods. So now for the quality of this tool, we are going to play some songs and see how loud they are. So first of all, use the knockpod. Let's turn the in-ear detection off now. As you can see, after pressing, it's played the music, and I don't know if you can hear that, and that's how loud they are. So that stops it. Then now we'll turn on the in-ear detection and see how it works. So that's how loud, and they also respond to the in-ear detection. And I'll take them out now and we'll see if it's possible. As you can see, it stopped. So we'll try that of the DVR and see how it responds. So here we have that of DVR. So guys, these also have the active noise cancellation, as I said, and let's test the first press if it works or not. Well, they made that strange sound which helps them switch from